Hey guys, it's Katie, and today we are going to be doing a massive closet clean out purge. It is the end of the year, thank the Lord, and I am ready to just get rid of all the toxic energy and the unnecessary amount of clothes that I have in my closet. If you're new here, you should totally subscribe down below, follow all my social medias, and let's go over to that closet. Well, it's kind of a mess. You can obviously see the huge pile of clothes on my floor and all of the shirts, jackets, pants, sweatpants, everything going on in there. It's absolutely ridiculous the way that I let my closet get. It's just time to go through it. Like, look at all those hoodies. I counted 60 the other day. Of course, my neat freak self is all in color order. Then I got some pants up there and all that. So we're gonna go through it. The lighting in my closet is absolutely horrendous, but here we are, and we are gonna go through every single color shirt. We're gonna decide what we're going to keep, sell, and donate. I will be selling all of my clothes on Poshmark, so feel free to check them out over there. I sell everything for a very reasonable price. Donating to the Goodwill, which I do very frequently, and then keep, because I need some clothes. Let's start with the red. I do happen to love the color red, so I have quite a few things in this section. First, we have my ugly Christmas sweater. I just got this from the Goodwill, and it's a really nice shirt that I haven't worn yet, so I want to keep her. I have to keep my Georgia shirts, my Seminoles shirts. I thrifted this really nice Mustang, like vintage tee a while ago, and I love this shirt. It's a go-to. So here we have this Tampa Bay Bucks jersey. I will not wear this anytime soon. I'm not going to wear this. They're not doing too well anyway, and it has Jameis Winston on the back, so we're gonna donate or sell this one. Let's count how many hangers we get at the end of this video. This is a Lauren James shirt, which is super nice, and it was given to me as a gift, but I'll just never wear that. It says pearls, plaid, and play ball, so it's a very southern brand. So I think I'm gonna try and sell this one on Poshmark, because it's super nice, just not something I would wear. This shirt, of course we're keeping her. All of my merch is 10% off right now with the code VLOGMAS10 if you want to save 10% and get yourself a really nice Christmas present. Link down below. I have this striped Guess shirt that I never even wore, so I need to wear that. This is a flannel. I'm just never gonna wear this flannel. It's not my favorite. We are going to sell or donate her. Well, that was the red. Now let's move on to orange, my other favorite color. Of course we're keeping the merch. I'm kind of over this Puma shirt. I wore it twice. I got it from Paxton. I think I'm going to try and sell her because it's really nice, but I'm not going to wear it anymore. This is just a plain yellow striped shirt with like these navy stripes on the sleeves, and I'm just not going to wear this either. I think I wore it once. It's from the Forever 21 men's section, and I'm also over her, but this is a really good oversized tee if you want to layer. More of the best merch in the game. This is a very cropped shirt that I got off Forever 21 a while ago. It's super cute. I just have not worn it ever. It's like a really nice off-the-shoulder top, so this will be sold on my Poshmark. Wow, I feel like I'm making progress. That's all for yellow and orange, which are my two favorite colors, so I feel like I got rid of like enough in that section. Let's go to green. Green, I don't have a lot of. Keeping all 5 shirts in my green section. Let's go to blue. Clearly, I feel some type of way about blue shirts because that is the biggest section of my closet, and I'm not ashamed of it. I have so much going on in here, but I love it. First is this really pretty soft sweater that I just got that I haven't worn, so I'm gonna keep that. This will be donated. It's a cropped Aruba shirt. I don't want her anymore. I wore it like once. This as well, I never worn. It's like a really pretty stone gray blue color, and it has ties on the side. I just never wore it, not really my style. She will be donated. I'm gonna be selling this shirt. This is just a Nike baseball shirt. I just have not the best memories with her, but it's really nice. Nike brand, size medium. If anyone wants it. I also thrifted that, so it's like really nice and worn in, which is my favorite. Here we have an Auburn football shirt. Not a fan of Auburn. Bought this because I really liked the material. Also thrifted, so if you like Auburn, go ahead and check that out. I have a lot of sports teams, graphic shirts. I normally only buy the ones that are for my team, but sometimes if they're soft, I'll buy them anyways. Our pile is growing, and I feel like my closet is already looking more empty. It looks nice. We're gonna go through the pink and purple section now. Keister shirt, of course we're keeping her. This is a pretty tie-dye shirt that was sent to me, and I've worn it already, so I like that one. Oh, she's on the floor. Odd Future donut shirt. I love that one. I'm kind of over this one. I've had it for a while. It's really cute, but I just don't see myself wearing it in the future. So this is just a pink and white cropped tee with a pocket. That was in my wearing Crocs for a week video, if anyone remembers. Wow, look how many hangers I already have. This is insane. I used to have none here. My sections are looking a lot less filled. I feel like that's really nice. Now we're gonna go through the dresses. I never wear dresses, but I have a few that I feel like I should get rid of. This was my 8th grade graduation dress. dress. I feel like I could still fit into this, but it's really pretty. I just have nowhere to wear this and I will not wear it again. Sold or donated. This was a dress I wore to my uncle's wedding. It's cute. It's off the shoulder, so it's not my favorite. Also getting sold or donated. This dress I overwore so much. It's a really nice, soft yellow one, but I'm just not gonna wear it anymore. Freshman year homecoming dress. We'll be keeping this for the mems because it's custom, so it's probably not gonna fit anyone else. I had a photo shoot in this dress and I love it. I only wore it that one time, but I need to wear it again. This is a really pretty romper that I was gonna wear to a convention that I was gonna go to for my film class, but that never happened, so we're gonna keep her just in case. I've still never worn that one. Oh god, absolutely not. I have no idea what I was thinking when I bought this. This is a t-shirt dress with a t-shirt underneath and the dress. No. I buy things because they're comfortable and I never end up even wearing them. And the rest of these are all new and I've never worn them. So we're going to keep those. But wow, I feel like I just got rid of a lot of dresses. That section's looking quite empty. Okay, progress. Yes, Katie. So thank you to Filmora for sponsoring this video. If you don't know what Filmora is, it is an easy editing software. I feel like everybody is asking me how to start a YouTube channel nowadays, and editing doesn't have to just be for professionals. Filmora is designed for beginners in mind, so it's super easy to navigate. So if you're interested in starting your YouTube channel, Filmora is the perfect place to start. You just download it. All you have to do is drag and drop the video into the editing track and then start editing right away. They're also always adding new text, stickers, and overlays, so there's no need to create them yourself. Filmora just released the 10-year anniversary edition, Filmora 10, with more capability and flexibility than ever. You can check out my description and click the link below to try Filmora for free before you decide on buying it. Filmora is also going to give 3 of you guys a free Filmora account. All you have to do is check out my description box to see how to be entered to win. Now is the perfect time to check out Filmora. If you're looking to start a new YouTube channel or just start video editing in the new year, then go check it out using my link down below. And thank you so much to Filmora for sponsoring this video. Now we get to do my pullover jackets, white, tan, black, and gray shirts. I'm kind of over this gray Shelly Cove shirt. I wore it a few times. It's really soft and comfy, but I just don't see myself wearing it in the future anymore. This long sleeve black, white, and blue crop shirt is really nice and soft, but again, don't see myself wearing it anymore. It also can get tight at the bottom. One of you is gonna look really good in this, but I wore it too much. I don't wanna wear it anymore. I'm not gonna miss her either. I'm trying to work on, if I miss it, I'm not gonna give it away, but I'm not gonna miss that one. This is a Sherpa kind of like long sleeve cropped thing, and it has a hoodie. I wore this twice. It's just not my style anymore, and I don't see myself wearing it. It has a soft material on the inside. This is from Forever 21 from a while ago. This was a thrifted shirt that I cut. Very cute. I wore it like recently and it wasn't my favorite. She will be donated. Maybe it's just me, but I feel weird donating stuff that I bought from the thrift store already. I'm like, that's kind of weird, but at least it'll be going to someone who needs it. This is just a plain white tee with navy on the sleeves, also gonna go in the pile. Okay, so out of all my neutral color shirts, that's everything that I will be giving away. Now we're gonna go through my like pullovers and jackets and flannels. Found a hanger, that's nice. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna get rid of because I actually wear these a lot and I really like them. They're all super nice, like windbreaker material or things like that. I will be getting rid of this nice fluffy like bomber jacket. These were super popular a really long time ago. It's from Charlotte Russe. It is so incredibly soft on the inside and has this really nice like puffy oversized hoodie. This is super cute. I just don't see myself wearing it in the future. It has such nice like navy outside, but I can definitely see this going to someone who will rock it. I have a lab coat. I'm just donate. Why do I have a lab coat? You guys can take a look and see how nice and organized it looks now. Look how many hangers I have. This is insane. But now I think we have to do the sad part. All of my babies, my sweatshirts. I do in fact have an emotional attachment to my hoodies and sweatshirts, so I don't know how many of these I will actually be getting rid of, but I'm gonna try my hardest. There's over 60 in there, and I know I do not need 60 because there's no space. No promises that I'll be getting rid of a lot of them because I love them. And they're my friends. There's like no good places to put my camera in this closet, but I'm trying. Okay, we're gonna start from this section. The sisters hoodie. Guys, I've had this for so long. I got this for my birthday like 2 or 3 years ago. I still love James Charles, but I just don't wear this and I don't see myself wearing it anytime soon. I'll always support him, but I definitely think somebody on Poshmark would like this yellow sisters hoodie a lot better than me. This did come straight off of his website and it is in a size large for anybody interested. The sad part is I didn't even remember having that sweatshirt, so she will go to a better home. I'm gonna be selling this Harvard sweatshirt. It's really nice. I mean, there's definitely some pilling on it. I don't want to hide the fact that there is pilling, so if you buy this, know that. Harvard licensed gear, size large. Wow. This is making me very sad. I don't think I can give away anymore. I already gave away 2. This blue Champion crew neck. I wore the heck out of this. I love Champion crew necks. They're so soft and comfy for no reason. This is in a size large as well for anybody who wants this navy one. Has the little C right here. And again, there's some pilling on her. Whoever gets this better be a good mom to her. It looks so empty. I think this looks way better. Everything fits into its spot now. I can only get rid of those 3. Like, I'm serious. The rest I wear so often and they mean too much to be able to get rid of. I think that looks better. I think we made progress. Y'all, this is a lot of donated clothes and we're still not done. This all needs to be hung up and put away, and that's a whole nother story. But now we're gonna go through my tiny tops. I have so many tiny tops because I wear them all the time with like a jacket or leggings or when I'm working out. This tube top is a sell. Ruffled burgundy shorts, sell. Cropped burgundy tank, sell. Green and blue tank, sell. Checkerboard tube top, sell. Colorful ruffly tube top, sell. Black striped halter top, sell. Not sure why this was in my tiny top section, but this is a olive green long sleeve cropped shirt. This is also a sell. And that is all of that. This pile is just getting bigger. My tiny tops are looking a lot less full, which is good. I feel like I only need the basics, and these are the ones that I wear a lot. I know they're not organized, but it's organized chaos, I promise. Now I'm gonna hang up and put all of this stuff away, and then we'll do like a final kind of closet tour. Hot for this. I love this jacket though. It's so pretty and pink. Definitely keeping this one. If you're wondering where the fit is from, this crop tank is from Princess Polly. These are some Champion sweatpants. This jacket was thrifted. I posted an Instagram picture not wearing these sweatpants, but in this top and jacket. Go check it out. I just found this pile of clothes that has been sitting in my closet waiting to be sold or donated as well, so we're gonna add this to the big collection. Look at all those. Wow. I keep finding so much more. Peekaboo! We called you like 6 times. Why are you here?
Buenas noches.
Why not? I love that you just got that on camera. What the? I literally called you so many times.
You told me to come, so I came.
I wasn't expecting you to just walk into my room. Well, we were sitting outside, we're like, do we walk in? Like, that was a surprise. Oh my gosh.
What the hell?
I'm filming in my closet.
Don't touch my cinnamon roll.
Here are my 2 piles. This is the donate to Goodwill pile. These are all nice things that I can sell on Poshmark. If they don't sell, then they will go into the donate pile. I'm gonna put these all in a bag and take them to the Goodwill tomorrow and start listing these on my Poshmark. Oh! Yes. I caught her. I caught the camera, guys. Don't worry. Like literally cackling laughing. It's so goodness gracious, sorry.
It's invading my workspace.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm done listing these on Poshmark for now. My back hurts.
Good night, streaks.
I need to take a thumbnail, dang it.
Yeah, I'll just let you do your thing. Do your thing, Miss Thing. Miss Thing. Go, Miss Thing. Go, white boy, go. Go, colonizer, go. Go, white rice, go. Go, white rice, go. Go, travel size toothpaste, go.
Travel size toothpaste. So it is now the next day, and I've gone through a bunch of those clothes and listed a ton of them on Poshmark, so feel free to check those out. And now we're gonna go to the Goodwill and donate this big bag of clothes. I love donating because I know that it's going to a good cause and that people are gonna get use out of my clothes. And it's so cool to think that someone around me could be like wearing the same clothes as I had before.
She said her favorite color yellow. It looked good on her dress. Tryna be slim, thick, nothing less. But she's falling in and out of love.
I don't know how to do this, because is it supposed to be in my trunk? Because it's not in my trunk, it's right there. She's right there. This is so complicated for no reason. Both the guys in front of me just got out of their car when it says contactless delivery. They're loading a couch into this guy's car, and I'm just gonna do the wave. Hello. I'm good, how are you? I just have this one bag. Yes, please. There you go. Thank you. I did it. That took 2 seconds. I spent so much time waiting. Success! I donated my clothes, which makes me really happy. Closet clean out. Here comes 2021, baby. I am more than happy with how my closet looks right now. I just want to say thank you guys for helping me clean her out. Everything has space, and I have so many hangers now. I did not have nearly as many hangers. My hoodies collection is looking a little thinner. I'm missing 2 right there, but I recommend that everybody goes through and purges their room before the new year. You want to create a healthy, working, amazing environment to hopefully make 2021 a better year than 2020 was. I need some good mojo in my life, and hopefully by cleaning my closet, this helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out my Poshmark to find any of the clothes that I'm selling on there. I always write a handwritten note on like these Katie's Corner cards when you guys buy my stuff, so you can get a little custom note from me. I love you so much. Follow all my social medias, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Peace in the Middle East.